Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. My name is Joyce McTeer. For those of you who don't know me, I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I want to say thank y'all so much for joining me for this video. Could y'all please make sure you thumbs it up, like, and share it out, because sharing is caring, right? All right, y'all. So today I'm going to show y'all how to just make a quick pair of earrings using these Polymar clay beads that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm going to have to say, y'all, that I saw someone do a haul on these a few months back. My Dollar Tree recently just got these in, okay? I did a video the other day showing y'all the different color assortments that it came in. And today I'm going to show y'all how to make a pair of earrings using these keys, okay? This is going to be a fun project, all right? This project can be done from someone who is a beginner to advance, okay? So you will need these. These are some key charms that I purchased from Walmart. You're going to need 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire, and both pieces are 8.5 inches long. You're going to need some, you don't have to use spacer beads because I'm going to be using these right here. It's completely up to you what you choose to do and how to make and create these. But if your Dollar Tree does not have these in, y'all, please don't get discouraged. I'm hoping that every Dollar Tree get these, but we already know that all Dollar Trees don't always sell the same thing, okay? So I'm hoping that the Dollar Tree that is near you will eventually get these in, y'all, all right? These are amazing. And then I have some other little 6mm beads. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these or not, but I have some turquoise color flat round 6mm. Hoping y'all can see that. I hope my lighting is good, because I'm recording this video in the wee hours of the morning. So, and I think the very last thing that you will probably need will be some fish hooks for your project. So let's go ahead and get started. So I wound up pulling out these as well. So I'm going to be using both of the assortments in making these earrings, okay? So this was another assortment that when I went to the Dollar Tree the other day and I purchased. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing you want to do is you're going to take your wire, your 20 gauge wire. And this wire, once again, like I said, is 20 gauge and it is 8.5 inches long. And you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to try to come in the center of your wire. And you're going to make yourself a loop. So I'm going to push both of these up just like this. Now your loop don't have to be too big. Okay, and that is my loop. And then I'm going to take and slide my key charm down just like this, so we can hang just like that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to place it right over top of my loop. And I'm going to twist it twice. So you want to hold it as tight as you can and then twist it. So you're going to go around one time and then come all the way back around a second time. And this is pretty much what you are going to have with your twists. Your key should be facing this way, not this way, okay, but this way. And this is how you will know that your loop is facing in the right direction, okay? Then all you're going to do next is you're going to come here, and you don't have to do this to your wire, but I choose to. All right, it's going to make things a little bit more easier for me to put on my beads. So like I said, you're going to need about 12 6mm beads, and this is the color that I'm going with. I ordered these from Amazon.com. So on each side, you're going to add your 6mm beads, okay? The very next thing you want to do, now these are spacer beads. You don't have to use these if you don't choose to, but these are some pink flat 6mm spacer beads that I purchased. I'm trying to remember where exactly. Oh, you know what, y'all? I'm sorry. It's not that. Those are not yet. Not putting these on yet. I'm going to be going with these brown ones. Okay, so I got these brown ones here out of the stash, and I'm going to go down on both sides with my brown, and then I'm going to add in these blue spacer beads. Okay, so now I'm going to add these on both sides. Whoops. Okay, so you got those on. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add my next color, and my next color is going to be this green. This is a real pretty green using the Polymer clay. And I actually don't know. I'm thinking that these are 8mm. So I'm going to go down on both sides. And then I'm going to go back using these flat. Okay. Just like that. We're building. Okay, so this is pretty much what you're going to have. And then I am going to go, once I build this, I'm going to go back and use 2 of my 6mm round beads. And all you're going to do next is you're just going to, everything that you did here, you're going to just repeat it here at the next level. So I'm going to go with the turquoise, one on one side and one on the other side. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to add the green, which is these right here. One on one side and one on the other side. And then back to the turquoise once again. One on one side and one on the other side. Okay. And then I'm going to add on the brown, which is this right here, one on one side and one on the other side. Now, once I get here, as you can see, then I'm going to come back and use 2 of my 3mm beads, one on one side and one on the other side. And this is pretty much what it is going to be looking like. And then I'm going to come and bring both pieces together just like this. And I am actually molding out my wire to a more of a round shape. Okay, to a more of a round shape, just like this. So this is what you should have. It should look like this. Once you mold it and get it to how you want it to be, it should look exactly like this. And then you're just going to bring these 2 pieces together, and you're going to take one part and wrap it around this part. So you're going to just do this, push them together, and you're going to, one piece you're going to wrap around, the other piece you're going to push up. Okay, just like that. And you're going to wrap that a few times, at least a good 2 to 3 times. You're just wrapping it around. I'm going to show you. That's what it looks like. So a good 2 to 3 times. Okay, and we're done with that part. All right, so this is basically what you should have. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is lined up. And then what you want to do now is you're going to come here and you're going to snip this off just like this. And you're going to take your flat nose pliers and come and squeeze everything together. All right, and then you're going to pinch this part over like that. Okay, and you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to come here and make a loop. Make your loop just like this. Okay, and once you do that, I always place that over top and I bring it up. Okay, and then I'm going to take this part of my wire and I'm going to start wrapping that around like this. Okay, so I can try to have a nice finish. Okay, all right. And then I'm going to take and snip right here and take my pliers, go in and try to squeeze everything together so that I can have a better finish. So this is what you're going to have once you get it all together. And then the very last thing that you want to do, I'm going to shape this a little bit more because there you have it. And then you add on your fish hook. Okay, and you can use any kind of fish hooks you want. You can use sterling silver fish hooks, whatever you choose to. And you'll have yourself a beautiful pair of polymer clay key charm earrings. And these are really pretty. And you can pretty much wear these with any outfit that you choose to wear it with. So with that being said, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you like what I do here on this platform, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, don't forget to share it out because sharing is caring. And I want to say thank y'all so much for joining me for this Crafty Vision segment. Until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya and happy crafting.